Hi guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today I'm going to do a review of the Forex markets, just a few currency pairs, just to give you my ideas and a few thoughts on how I'm seeing how the market's playing out today. Today is Thursday the 26th of January, and we're just going to go, like I say, just go through a few pairs. If you watched my previous video, I'll just give you an update on my Aussie dollar trade shortly, and I feel how that's going to play out. But we'll start today with the Euro USD. Today I've got the daily chart up, and as we can see, the trend line that I drew on Tuesday is currently being tested again around this area here at 1.070. I think my thoughts on this one is if the price breaks below this trend line and the daily closes below it, then I would probably take a short trade down to these lows down here. However, I think if we break this high, using this consolidation here, I would be taking a long up to 1.10 around this area. My thoughts are that it's probably going to break this trend line sometime soon. Across a few of the other currency pairs that are involving the euro seems to be setting up for a bit of a drop. So today, that's how I'm seeing the Euro USD, watching what price is doing around this particular trend line. Pound dollar. So we broke through the trend line that we discussed on Tuesday quite dramatically, and it's just on the way down. I will be taking a long trade as it hits this trend line. We've probably got quite a good supply area down there. We'll just take that down to the 4-hour. So yeah, price comes back down to here. Maybe test this area. I will be taking a long trade, probably up to this area of consolidation, so around the 1.28 mark, 1.29 in fact, just up to this area here. But I will be waiting for a retest of this area down here before I take my long trade. Aussie dollar, I'm still in this one. I took another short trade yesterday, maybe a little bit too trigger happy there. I should have waited until we came back up to this area, because I believe it's probably testing. It tested this area up here. I should have waited and entered short as price came up to my original trade and entered short again. I do believe it's going to come back down. This is the 1-hour chart down to this area here. I'm just going to alter my take profit there. 143 pips away from current price. That's where I'll be taking profit. It may take a couple of days to get down there, but that's where I believe we're going to come down to. Stops above the trend line, probably 0.7613 is where I will have my stop, or I have got a stop. So that's that trade on the Aussie dollar. We'll just pick one at random, and I'll just give you a bit of analysis on how I'm seeing it at the moment. We'll go for Aussie New Zealand dollar, and we'll go back up to the daily. Get rid of this fib. Okay, so we've seen a drop earlier, beginning of last year, and we've consolidated and bounced around for quite a while. Come down to this demand area here, and we'll probably like that candle. Probably it'll keep me out of trading this particular currency pair, because it looks like it came down and touched. It did make a bit of a bounce from it, but ended up closing right on it and making lows below. So this could go anywhere, in my opinion. Not a particularly probable trade in either direction, so we'll be staying out of Aussie New Zealand dollar for now. Just one more before I go. Swiss franc JPY. Let's have a look at this one. So we're in a long-term downtrend. We have seen a bit of a resurgence since the end of last year, and we look like we're in a bit of a consolidation for now. Let's have a look deeper in. In fact, we'll go to the weekly and see if we can see anything on there. So we've come back up and tested this candle here, which is pretty decent supply, almost to the pip there. Look, just underneath that candle, price came up, touched it. So I'll probably be taking shorts if I am on this particular pair, probably down to this area here at 10903. That's where I see price probably coming down to. In fact, I may take a short quite quickly because price has come back up to test this area. Stops just above at 11601. So there you go, guys. Little Forex review on the Thursday, the 27th of January. If you've got any questions or you've got anything to discuss about the currency pairs I've looked at, your thoughts and ideas, very, very welcome. Okay, have a great day, guys.